What's up everyone, Nathan here. Thanks a lot for stopping by. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make money online fast as a beginner in 2019. I'm actually going to show you 3 different ways, so all you have to do is stay with me. But first, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel where I upload videos about how to make money online and work from home opportunities on a consistent basis, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. Alright, so you want to get started to make money online and you're a beginner. Well, you're in for a treat because I'm going to show you 3 different ways here. With that being said, let's get started. So, method number 1, and probably the fastest, could be to offering online services to offline businesses. And do not limit yourself that you don't have any skills, because I have shared tons of methods in the past actually. Besides that, you can outsource and purchase some kind of services actually online. I have shared, this was recently a review that I did about VidSting, which actually you don't need to know anything about video animations, and you can create video intros, stingers and outros, so you could sell those actually to offline businesses. I do prefer offline because I think you make faster money with these kind of services actually before you get some kind of a reputation online. Okay, it might take you a little longer, so this goes really fast. The next one was Ascend Pages. Same here. You create web pages without you don't have to do anything more or less. Actually, you can create web pages from scratch here. So there was also Explaindio, which is a very popular animation software. You can create animated videos, and you can actually sell all these kind of services online, of course, as well, as I mentioned earlier. But definitely the fastest way, in my opinion, would be to go to offline and talk to them and sell those kind of services. And usually when they get satisfied for, let's say, for a stinger, they want to get back to you to purchase some more there later on, of course. The next thing would be some kind of freelancing. So what you're going to do is you can offer some kind of a freelancing that you think you're good at. The same goes here. Do not limit yourself that you're not skilled. Let me show you here. We have Fiverr. I did a video recently about online teaching. So you can see here, you can teach piano, for example, teach English. What else? You can teach CPA marketing, fitness, Pilates. You can whatever comes into your mind, you can actually teach. Okay, so there is tons of variations here on teaching online. But if you say that I'm not good in teaching, well, then I have for you definitely an alternative here. You can actually transcribe. This you don't need any particular skills at all, to be honest. Transcribing, go same here. You can see here, what you do is you actually need headphones, and you can start typing from transcribing a video example given. And there is definitely very popular. You can see here she has made 922 gigs here, and I can tell you for sure that it costs probably more if you want definitely more than 5 or 15 minutes. Okay, this is the premium services, but I know that for 1 hour she charges probably around $30 or $40 maybe if she's popular. So imagine yourself, all these gigs is definitely not only for 5 gigs, I can tell you for sure. So you can calculate the money there for yourself. So you can start transcribing. Now you can get tons of ideas here of some kind of freelancing that you can do actually. And you don't have to be only on Fiverr, but you can be on Upwork. They search for freelancers. Let's say here for video freelancers that I searched earlier here. You can also go to freelancer.com. Those 3 sites are definitely definitely the most popular ones. Okay, there is tons of freelance sites, so all you have to do is actually sign up to a few of those and offer whatever your services are. Okay, so that is method number 2. Start to make some freelancing. Definitely a good way to get started with fast. The third and my preferred method would be affiliate marketing online. And let me just show you how it works. So it works really in 3 simple steps here. So first we need to just make it a little bit bigger here. We need to drive traffic to an opt-in page, and of course offer. We need to find an offer to promote. Okay, so this is my preferred method of affiliate marketing. I'm all about email marketing. So you have an opt-in page here, and this is an exchange that you actually get the email address in exchange for a free report or a free case study or something that you offer. Okay, and when they have seen that, you can go ahead and get started to promote. Sorry for the ugly drawing here, but usually, of course, we're talking about affiliate marketing. Now you can go a step beyond. If you have your own product, you definitely want to promote your own product there also. But this is, in my opinion, one of the fastest way and the best way also to promote as an affiliate marketer. Now, why go this step? Well, really simple. Email your list. You're in control of that. Okay, that is an asset you're building your business. Now, if you wouldn't have an email list and you go, for example, to a Facebook fan page like I did in the past, and that was my big aha moment when I started to build a list, because I thought about it back then. It was a few years ago that I don't need to build the email list. Now there is social media marketing platforms, etc. So I started to build a fan page, which I started to monetize. And when I woke up one morning, it was gone. Okay, I sent thousands of, I tried to contact actually thousands of times to Facebook without getting any response at all. So there was goodbye with everything and all the efforts that I have put in. But that's when, of course, when I started to build an email list, because the email list, you're in control of that list as long as you back it up, of course. And you can do whatever you want with it, okay? So you can promote offers again and again and again. So you're in control of it. So if you handle this right, you will definitely be very successful in affiliate marketing. Now there is a few steps here, of course, with the whole process on how you can get traffic. There is paid traffic, there is free traffic, how to set up everything here. And that's why I also want to show you today here something that I did a review on yesterday actually, which I thought was a great way and opportunity to get started with, especially if you are a new want to make money online, and or if you are struggling, of course, you're struggling marketer. And it was this product here which called Magi Maker. I did a review, so if you want to have a look at that review, you can definitely watch it on my page here, myimtips.com, which is my website. And I am offering some unique bonuses that I want to show you, but let's have a look first at why you should have a closer look at Magi Maker. Well, Magi Maker, first is the laser clarity, okay? You discover your personal strength so you can leverage the IM world to the maximum. This is pretty unique, actually, not shared in so many programs. The second one is, of course, all the step-by-step methods and the secrets on how to break into affiliate marketing. And third one, you get access to 3 tested and proven programs. Now, this is also a biggie because when you don't have any reputation in the beginning, they probably won't approve you to be affiliate for their offers. But here you have 3 tested and proven programs. So why reinvent the wheel, okay? So let me just show you here the sales page. So it sells actually right now, as I'm recording the video, for $12.95. And here is proof that it works, but look at this now. No tech skills, no experience, and here Mick is 67-year-old. Okay, I hear so many times the limitation that I'm too old for this, I don't have any tech skills, how can I learn this, that? Well, Mick is a living proof that this works, and that is exactly what he's going to help you with in this course here. So let me just scroll down a little bit here. So here we're talking about 3 steps here in Magi Maker. We're talking about mindset and self-coaching guide, which is probably also the most important in how to make money online. You need to have this right. This is so big. But you also actually, it's not about only make money online, but you got to have the right mindset in whatever you do in your life. So these are life-changing tutorials here, in my opinion. The next thing would be actually to the directions, the step-by-step, as I said, for affiliate marketing. And of course, the 3 tested and proven money-making programs here. So you can see it, as I mentioned here, what I did the review. I showed you the members area and everything, I'm sorry. And what happened since yesterday, they actually added some more bonuses. Basically, Magi Maker is launched together with Kevin Fahey. Now, I know Kevin, I'm in his coaching group. I can vote for Kevin 100%. He's a 6-figure marketer. He's done this many years, tons of success stories behind him. And I know that everything Kevin puts his stamp on is 100%. And he's launching it together with Mick here. So what they did actually together is they added some more bonuses since yesterday that you can get if you get Magi Maker, which makes this, in my opinion, a no-brainer, okay? And if you just have a look at this, these are Kevin's product that he has launched in the past. You can see this is a WSO winner, a POTD winner. We're talking about IM affiliate funnel. We're talking about consistent sales system and IM emails. Let me just show you the products and sales pages here so you can get an idea of what we are talking about here. So this is actually the IM affiliate funnel, and look at this. It sells for $27, only this alone. And this is all about affiliate funnels, how to go with it, how to set up your affiliate funnel, and everything here, okay? The next thing is the consistent sales system. This sells also for $27. This is a case study about exploding your profits, bank an extra $594 per day in passive income in any niche using these secrets. So it's a great course, okay? We have also the IM emails where actually Kevin, he shows you here his templates that he's been using for 8 years and has generated 3 million in online sales. So you get all these free. You need to contact, of course, after you have purchased Magi Maker to get these free special bonuses there. And of course, I already showed it yesterday, but let's go here once again. I added also bonuses here if you purchase this through my link, of course. We're talking about Daily List Profits, which is my own course. So let me just show you. This is my sales page here. It is about how to make $100 plus per day while you build an email list. As I said, I'm all about email list building, so I cover this very well, and that's why it goes hand in hand with Magi Maker also. So here is a case study. I made $715 in 2.5 days. I show you exactly what I did here. We have the overview, the funnel explained, domain, hosting, create your free report. So I cover everything here that is needed actually about affiliate and CPA marketing and how to build your email list there. But I'm not stopping there because I'm actually offering also my pro video training. So my pro video training is watch over my shoulder, step-by-step tutorials, and it is a business in a box. Let me show you why. I cover everything from buying domain, purchase hosting, installing WordPress, create your email account, freebie, 4 different networks from Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank and Amazon on how to find offers to promote. Also, you have purchase autoresponder, set up your squeeze page, your thank you page, your follow-up sequence, broadcasts, tracking. This is about launch hacking. We have 2 bonus modules here. So I hope you realize that there is tons of value here, okay? You can't go wrong with these courses together, with both Magi Maker, with the 3 bonuses, and of course my unique bonuses there also. And you also get some niche authority bonus, you get 200 social media marketing tactics and viral traffic search. So you get all this if you purchase Magi Maker through my link. I'll leave a link of course below so you can arrive to this page and you can have a look at it at your own pace here if you're interested in this. I can't really find, I wouldn't really say why you shouldn't. I can't really find any excuse or why you shouldn't actually purchase it, but because with all the bonuses, it makes this a no-brainer for the price tag there. So that is about how to make money online fast as a beginner. As I said, offering online services to offline businesses, freelancing and affiliate marketing. Alright, if you got some value out of this video, make sure to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel where I upload videos about how to make money online and work from home opportunities on a consistent basis. Hit that notification bell also to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. And as I said earlier, there is a link below for getting Magi Maker with all the cool bonuses. Alright, that's it. Thanks a lot for watching and see you soon.